everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tricky World. So in today's video we will be looking at one of the very powerful function of Power BI DAX, which is a union function. So union function basically we use in order to combine the tables. When I use combine word, that means in case there are two or more than two tables and format of both the tables or all the tables are same, then we can append the data one below another of all the tables. So let's get started and see in practically how it works exactly. So if I go here, I have two tables. One table is report, where we have 6 columns, and if I see region, I have different regions. Second table, if I go to, which is a table 2, it's only one region, East America, which is a part of this report itself. East America is this one. So let's say now if I want to combine both the tables together, so what I can do, I can write a simple function of union. I can create a new table. I will click on new table, and here let's say combine table is equal to union syntax would be table 1, which is a report, then table 2, which is a table 2. I will close the bracket. So it will combine both the tables data into one table. As we can see here, in first table report we have 43 rows in report. In table 2 we have 5 rows, and in combined table we have 48 rows, 42 plus 40, 43 plus 5. So we can combine the data of multiple tables into one table, and accordingly we can use same for our further complex calculations as per our requirement. So that's how union function works. Thanks for watching Tricky World.